Hi, everybody. It's Jim Siegel for Spaceflight Insider. The last commercial resupply mission to the International Space Station by NASA took place back on May 4th. The next resupply mission to the International Space Station is scheduled for July 21st at 7:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. That'll be from Space Launch Complex 40 at the Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. The cargo on that particular mission includes 47 scientific investigations. The purpose of this video is to tell you about a few of the most noteworthy of those, and then I'll create a separate video that will tell you about the technical details of this particular mission. So, the first investigation I'd like to tell you about is called biorocks. And in this investigation, scientists are going to be looking at 3 different kinds of microbes that can be used to extract minerals from rock. So minerals like iron or copper. And not just any particular rock on this mission, but rather volcanic rock from Iceland. Why Iceland? Because that is thought to have the composition similar to the composition of the crust of the moon and of Mars. There's a company called Space Tango, and they're going to be studying on this particular mission the potential treatments for Parkinson's disease and multiple sclerosis. Space moss is another topic that's going to be studied on this mission. Why moss? Because moss is a potential important ingredient in the production of food on long-duration space travel, and also, importantly, the production of oxygen. So they're going to be studying the speed at which moss grows in the microgravity of space. AstraZeneca is a pharmaceutical company. They're going to be studying antibodies for the treatment of cancer and immune diseases. You've probably heard of the company Adidas, a sporting goods company. Well, they're going to be studying the dynamic spinning behavior of a soccer ball in the microgravity of space. Why? Because that information is going to be used to improve aerodynamic testing of various components back here on Earth. The Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company is going to be studying silica on this particular mission. Silica is one of the ingredients of automotive tires. And Goodyear is going to be taking a look at the creation of new and innovative silica forms and structures to improve tire performance and manufacturing capability back here on Earth. Maybe you've heard of bioprinting. In this mission, they're going to be taking a look at the creation of human tissues using bioprinting techniques, and eventually that may lead to the production of human organs in the microgravity of space. If you have any children at home, maybe you recognize this material. This is called slime, and children make this out of ordinary household materials. The Nickelodeon company is doing a scientific demonstration on this mission to educate students on the basic principles of fluid dynamics. Okay. All of these and more are part of the cargo in the pressurized section of the Dragon spacecraft taking this mission up to the International Space Station. Maybe you know that there is also an unpressurized section of the spacecraft, and it's going to be taking up to the International Space Station an international docking adapter. And this adapter is going to be installed on the outside of the International Space Station, and it's going to permit the docking of future manned spacecraft to the International Space Station. So we're talking about, among other things, the Dragon 2 capsule, and this is the Dragon 2 capsule by SpaceX, and also the United Launch Alliance Starliner spacecraft. So that's just a few of the cargo that are going to be aboard CRS-18. That's again July 21st at 7:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Our intrepid photographers, Mike Howard, Scott Schilke, and Graham Smith, will be out there to cover all the action for you. And our writers will be back in the studio to capture and to communicate to you the details of that particular mission. So remember, spaceflightinsider.com for the inside line on all things space. So this is Jim Siegel for my Spaceflight Insider colleague signing off for now. So long.